Do you know what the healthiest foods to eat in the morning are? It's not just about breaking your overnight fast, but doing it right. A healthy breakfast can set the tone for your entire day. It can fuel your body and mind, and even help keep unwanted weight at bay. In this video, we'll be taking a journey through the top 12 healthiest foods you should consider adding to your morning routine. Stick around to discover the 12 healthiest foods you should be eating in the morning. Kicking off our list at number 12 is the humble oatmeal. A bowl of oatmeal is like a warm, comforting hug in the morning. Packed with fiber, it's a heart-healthy choice that can help lower cholesterol levels. But that's not all. Oatmeal is also a great source of essential vitamins and minerals like iron, zinc, and B vitamins, making it a super start to your day. Next up, at number 11, are the colorful, delicious berries. Whether it's strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries, these tiny fruits are nutritional powerhouses. They're brimming with antioxidants that help fight inflammation and fend off disease. Plus, they're a fantastic source of fiber and vitamin C. A handful of berries in the morning can definitely brighten your day and your health. Sliding into the 10th spot is Greek yogurt. Creamy, tangy, and oh so versatile, Greek yogurt is a protein-packed breakfast option. It's also rich in probiotics, those friendly bacteria that are essential for a healthy gut. And let's not forget, it's a good source of calcium and vitamin B12. Whether you enjoy it plain, with fruit, or in a smoothie, Greek yogurt is a great way to kickstart your morning. Last but certainly not least for this segment, at number 9 we have flax seeds. These tiny seeds are big on health benefits. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. They also contain lignans, plant compounds that have antioxidant properties. On top of that, flax seeds are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which aids digestion. Add a spoonful of ground flax seeds to your morning smoothie, or yogurt for a nutritious boost. So there you have it, 4 nutritious breakfast options to start your day right. But we're just getting started. Stay tuned to find out what tops these nutritious breakfast options. Moving on to number 8 on our list, we have the humble but mighty nuts. Now, don't underestimate these small powerhouses. They're packed with healthy fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Having a handful of nuts like almonds, walnuts, or cashews in the morning can kickstart your metabolism and keep you feeling full for longer. Plus, they're a great source of antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage. Next at number 7, we find the refreshing green tea. This isn't just a comforting morning ritual. Green tea is a great source of powerful antioxidants known as catechins. These little warriors fight inflammation in the body, aiding in the prevention of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. The mild caffeine content in green tea also provides a gentle energy boost without the jitters often associated with coffee. Number 6 brings us one of the most versatile breakfast options, the protein shake. Whether you're on a plant-based diet or a meat eater, a protein shake can be a nutritious and convenient breakfast option. Protein is essential for repairing and building tissues, and it also helps to keep you satiated. You can whip up a protein shake with your favorite fruits, plant-based or dairy milk, and a scoop of protein powder. It's like having a delicious dessert that's actually good for you. And finally, at number 5, we have fruits. Fruits are nature's candy, brimming with essential nutrients, vitamins, and fiber. They are a great source of energy and can help you start your day on a sweet note. Berries, bananas, apples, or oranges. Pick your favorite and enjoy it fresh. Remember, the more colorful your fruit selection, the wider the range of nutrients you're getting. So, there you have it, 4 more fantastic food options to start your day right. From the crunch of nuts, the soothing sip of green tea, the filling protein shake, to the burst of freshness from fruits. Breakfast just got a lot more exciting and nutritious. Are you ready to find out the top 4 healthiest breakfast foods? We're down to the healthiest of the healthy. Number 4 is whole grains. Whole grains are a breakfast superstar. They're packed with dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer, helping you maintain a healthy weight. Plus, they're rich in essential nutrients like B vitamins, iron, and magnesium. Picture a warm bowl of oatmeal or a slice of whole grain toast. These are easy ways to incorporate whole grains into your morning routine. Next, at number 3, we have chia seeds. Don't let their tiny size fool you. These little seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. They're an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain health. They also provide fiber, iron, and calcium. Sprinkle them on your yogurt, blend them into your smoothie, or make a chia pudding. A little goes a long way. As we move closer to the top, at number 2 we find avocados. These creamy fruits are full of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that can help lower bad cholesterol levels. They're also a good source of fiber and vitamins C, K, and B6. Enjoy them in a smoothie, spread on toast, or even in a breakfast salad. Avocados can give any breakfast a nutrient boost. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Drumroll, please. The number 1 healthiest food to eat in the morning is eggs. Eggs are a high-quality source of protein and contain all the essential amino acids our bodies need. They're also rich in vitamins B2, B12, and D, and minerals like zinc, iron, and copper. Whether you prefer them boiled, scrambled, or poached, eggs are a versatile and nutritious start to your day. And there you have it, the top 12 healthiest foods you should eat in the morning. Let's do a quick recap of the 12 healthiest foods you should eat in the morning. From protein-packed eggs, fiber-rich oats, to antioxidant-filled berries and heart-healthy avocados. Not forgetting nutrient-dense chia seeds, whole grain bread, and the power of almonds and flax seeds. Let's also appreciate the hydration from watermelon, the potassium in bananas, the probiotics in yogurt, and the vitamins in citrus fruits. Remember, a healthy morning meal can jumpstart your metabolism, stop you from eating too much during the rest of the day, and give you the energy you need to get going. So make your breakfast count.